안녕하세요. Your Korean speaking partner 아루사예요. In this video, we will practice how to say the conjunctions because and so like a native Korean speaker. Let's go! 갑시다! So I'm giving you homework. I'll start a sentence. You have to complete the sentences. I'll give you two Korean expressions for the conjunctions. One, when the conjunction comes at the beginning of a sentence. Two, when they connect two sentences. Let's go with because. Remember the expression? 왜냐하면 기 때문이에요. 왜냐하면 기 때문이에요. 기 때문이에요. 왜냐하면 기 때문이야. Let's take a look at examples. I eat 비빔면 every day because it's tasty. 나 비빔면 매일 먹어. 왜냐하면 맛있기 때문이야. 왜냐하면 기 때문이야. So literally because can be translated into 왜냐하면 and then put the verb stem with 기 때문이야. Let's learn casual polite expressions for 때문이야. 때문이에요. 때문이에요. 왜냐하면 맛있기 때문이에요. Another example. I like K-pop because it's different. 난 K-pop이 좋아. 왜냐하면 다르기 때문이야. 다르다, remove다, 다르기 때문이야. Easy, huh? Last example. I'm visiting Korea soon because my sister's getting married. 곧 한국에 갈 거야. 왜냐하면 동생이 결혼하기 때문이야. Get married, 결혼하기 때문이야. 왜냐하면 동생이 결혼하기 때문이에요. Here, instead of saying 왜냐하면, you can also use this expression. 왜냐면 맛있기 때문이에요. And there are other verb endings for 때문이에요. After the verb ending, you add 니까 or 으니까. Because it's tasty. 왜냐하면 맛있으니까요. Actually, you can omit 왜냐하면 as well. Just because it's tasty. 맛있으니까. That's fine. Because it's different. remove 다르니까요. Now verb stem plus 거든. Because it's tasty. 맛있거든요. Because it's different. 다르거든요. Because my sister's getting married. 동생이 결혼하거든요. Pop quiz. This is my favorite restaurant because the food is not hot and spicy. In Korean, 여기가 내 최애 식당이야. 음식이 안 맵. Let's speak out loud. Good job. What about singing this song? 왜냐하면 기 때문이야. 왜냐하면 기 때문이야. And let's go for so. When starting a sentence with so, we use 그래서. Example sentences. I miss you, so I'm flying to you. 네가 보고 싶어. 그래서 너한테 날아가고 있어. Flying to you. It's hot, so I ordered 팥빙수. 더워. 그래서 팥빙수 시켰어. I want to speak Korean very well, so I study with 아루사. 한국말 잘 하고 싶어요. 그래서 아루사랑 공부해요. 그래서 easy. Pop quiz. Red kimchi is hot and spicy, so I eat white kimchi. 빨간 김치는 매워. 백김치만 먹어. So how do you say it? Yeah, right. 그래서 백김치만 먹어. Next one, when so or because is between sentences, we use blah blah 서. In this case, forget about verb stem. Instead, think of the natural verb ending like 더워. And then add 서. 맛있어. And then add 서. So with the normal verb ending, you just add 서. Just remember with casual verb ending like 맛있어, 더워, 공부해, and then add 서. But there are some exceptions for today. Just remember casual verb ending with 서. 비빔면이 맛있어. It's a sentence as it is. And then put 서. 맛있어서 나는 매일 먹어. And I eat 비빔면 because it's tasty. In Korean is the same. 맛있어서 매일 먹어. So for these two English sentences with because and so, this one Korean sentence can be used. I ordered 팥빙수 because it's hot. So here, 더워서 팥빙수 시켰어. Put a reason first and then the result. I'm flying to you because I miss you, or I miss you so I'm flying to you. Which one is cause and result? Cause, I miss you, so 네가 보고 싶어서 날아가고 있어. Pop quiz! This is my favorite restaurant because the food isn't hot and spicy, or the food here is not really spicy, so this is my favorite restaurant. So what is the cause and result? Yes. How do you say that? 음식이 안 매워. 여기가 내 최애 식당이야. So I'm giving you homework. I'll start a sentence, and because or so clauses are followed, you have to complete the sentences. Please leave your answers in the comments, then I'll reply to them and I'll give you little corrections if needed. Thank you for watching the video. 영상이 도움이 되면, if this video is helpful, 좋아요와 구독, subscribe 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 안녕.